Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Solved, where we try to solve your tech related queries. In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can log into the Dave app. So to do so, you need to have the Dave app installed on your device. If you don't have the app, you can get the app from the Play Store or the App Store. So once you install the app, open the application. In order to log in, tap on the option that says login on the bottom of your screen. Now this will take you to the sign in page. Here you can either log in by using your phone number or using your email. So if you are registered with your phone number, then type in your phone number and then tap on next. Or you can use your email by choosing the option that says use email. If you do so, type in your email and then tap on next. Then in the second page, enter your password and tap next. Once you do so, if your email address and your password are correct, you will be successfully logged into the Dave app. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other informational videos. Thank you for watching.